Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I hope everyone stays safe where you are. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dita Mariana Perdani Putrimani. I am student of Social Anthropology, postgraduate Universitas Negeri Medan. Indication of COVID-19 pandemic. I will do online presentation on the 5th Annual International Seminar on Transformative Education and Educational Leadership, or ISTEL 2020. My paper titled Maintaining the Tradition of Asokan as a Media of Informal Education in Village Communities. Case study of Pematang Ganjang Village, Serampa District. Introduction. Indonesia has cultural diversity that is still maintained. Horizontally, it is marked by the fact that there are units based on difference in ethnicity, difference in religion, customs, and regional difference. Vertically, that structure of the society is marked by sharp vertical difference between the upper and lower layers. Nasikun, 2007. To maintain this traditional informal education is need in which the family plays an important role in carrying out informal education. The informal education is a lifelong process in which a person accumulates and collects knowledge, skill, attitudes, and view from experience and exposure to the environment at home. Comes 1984. Informal learning is any activity involving the pursuit of understanding. Informal education or training is distinguished from such self-direct informal learning only by the presence of some form of institutionally recognized instructor. Livingstone, 2001. The pattern of community life in Pematang Ganjang village is very intimate between one individual and another. Various traditions and social activities are carried out together. One of the social activities that are still carried out by the community is a social activity known as Asokan. Activity Asokan are a form from cooperation between one community and another. Method. This is study use qualitative research using an ethnographic approach. Qualitative research was chosen because this research is useful for revealing the process of event in detail. Africa, 2008. An ethnographic approach with qualitative research procedure to describe, analyze, and interpret the element of cultural group such as behavior, patterns, beliefs, and language that development over time. Spratly, 1997. Data collection was carried out by participant observation and in-depth interview with informant who knows the, the meaning and ways of maintaining the tradition of Asokan as a medium for informal education in society. The research location is in Pematang Ganjang Village, Serampa District, Serdang Bedagai Regency. Theoretical review. The reciprocity theory was first put forward by Malinowski regarding a trading system between the inhabitants of the Trobriand island or Boyoa, which is located in the southeast of Papua New Guinea. Objects that are traded by exchange or barter are in the form of various kinds of foodstuffs, handicraft materials, and fishing tools, plantation, and household. Basically, there are no free gifts. All forms of giving are always accompanied by return or reward. Malinowski saw that all forms of transaction are in continuous relationship line, where the poles of giving are pure without compensation. Parsudi Suparlan in Maus 1992. Result and discussion. The tradition asokan is a form of cooperation between one community and another. Asokan is an activity carried out by the community consciously by providing assistance in the form of groceries and money that is given when one of them is going to hold a party or event in town. The tradition Asokan in Pematanganyang village, Serampa district is done when any of them will have a party. This is done because the activities of Asokan can help the community when they are going to hold a party so that they can closer relationship and foster a from high community care among each other. The value and meaning of the activity Asokan is where there is a sense of unity, help, and mutual cooperation which they uphold and are in the tradition Asokan. Result and discussion. When this tradition of asokan is carried out by the community and it turns out that one of them has died and leaves a debt of supply, the child or heir is obligated to continue the supply of his parents. This is one this is what makes the tradition asokan can be passed down from one generation to the next and is still being practiced today by the people of Pematanganyang village, Serampah district. This is where the role of parents or family as informal educational media that teaches or instill understanding in their children to continue this tradition in order to maintain the fraternity relationship that has been cultivated so far. Informal education itself is a process of living to everyday experience in the family environment. The essence of maintaining the tradition asokan is mutual trust. Conclusion. The Asokan tradition is carried out by the community in Pematanganyang village, Serampa district, Serdang Bedagai Regency. It is defined as a gift that is made alternately in providing assistance in the form of groceries such as rice, noodles, onions, eggs, chilies, and so on, or it can be in the form of material assistance in the form of money. The role of parents or families and informal education media that teaches or instill understanding in their children to continue this tradition. In some families, there are those who practice this asokan together. The mother follow the asokan and the child also follow the asokan. Here we can see the role of the family in instilling cultural values in their children. Thank you.